Alright, welcome to a very simple lesson, adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. We're going to get into much more complicated addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division fraction problems, but we're starting out with the most basic, and without even knowing how to do it, what if someone asked you what a half plus a half was? What do you have? A whole, right? A half plus a half is a whole. So what would that look like mathematically? Okay, the sentence 1/2 plus 1/2 is written up on the board, and you already know it equals a whole. So some students would go, oh, there's a plus sign in the middle. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2/4, is that a whole? No, that did not work, right? Something went wrong in this addition problem. You would like to get a whole. What if you added the top two numbers and the bottom stayed the same? If it matches again in the third one. Now, isn't 2/2 a whole? Yes. So how do you add fractions that have like denominators? You add the numerator on the top and you keep the denominator on the bottom the same. That's all you have to do, okay? So if we had a third plus a third and another third would be 2/3, right? If you were to draw it, which drawing works for a lot of students, if one of this was shaded and one of these were shaded, and I added those two shapes together, 1/3 of one is shaded, another third of another, together I have 2/3, okay? So when you add, and it works the same with subtract, you just work with the top two numbers and you keep the bottom number the same. That's all you have to do. Okay? Let's take a look at a few of your examples in your math, just so we can see, make sure you're getting some of these answers right. Oh, I just did the first one. Let's try number 4. 4/10 plus 3/10. And somewhere along the line, I got used to saying apples because some students would always forget. They would add the 10 and the 10. You don't do that, okay? If you had 4 apples plus 3 apples, how many would you have? You'd have 7 apples, right? So since I called the 10 apples, keep that a 10. You have 7 apples. 4 apples plus 3 apples equals 7 apples. It's just that simple, okay? Let's try a subtraction problem. Ooh, this one has a mixed number on it. Number 6 is 4 4/5. Minus 2 2/5. 4 4/5 minus 2 2/5. At the stage we're doing it now, it's very simple to just do 4 minus 2 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And the bottom stays the same. If I had 4 whole pies and a 4/5 and 2 more whole pies and 2/5, and I took those 2 away from it, you have 2 2/5 left over. Okay? If you have any questions regarding adding and subtracting with like denominators, just come and see me. Thanks.